Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are on the floor once again. So that means we're doing a big box unboxing. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking to unbox this consolidated package from our trusty buy and ship. And it's been a while since we've unboxed something. Okay, primarily because there's limited sealed products here in the Philippines, and primarily because some of the items in this consolidation has been I would say delayed, but packages are almost always delayed, but this one, some of the items here were especially delayed. Okay, so usually when you do a consolidation shipping, the price of the shipping would depend on the weight of the consolidated items. So at times, even though let's say 3 products you can already consolidate, you might want to wait for 1 more or 2 more just to make sure that you maximize the rate of the shipping per pound. Okay, so that is what happened for this particular package. I think 3 arrived early, but I had to wait out for the 2 that needed to be shipped or at least received by the virtual warehouse in the US. And when it finally did, then it means it's time to unbox. It's time to consolidate, and then it arrived. No, so here we are unboxing the consolidated package. So this should be a consolidation of, I think, 5 items if I'm not mistaken. So let's see. And you can see boxes inside boxes. And how do we position it? Okay, so I accidentally pressed the stop button of the recording. So where were we? We were looking at boxes inside boxes. So there's a paper here, which we don't need. And then we have a box number 1. Okay. And then we have an envelope number 1. Then we have a big box number 2. And then we have 2 more boxes. 1 and 2. Okay, so as I said, I was expecting 5 items consolidated, and we got all of them. Let's start off with the envelope. Okay, so this should contain just a card, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it does, and it contains the Storm alternate card for X-Men 97. So she's one of the cards that I don't have yet. I have duplicates of some of the cards, but this one I was not able to get locally. So I'm happy to have her. Okay, we will probably do a separate video for all the Storms in this set, in the X-Men 97 set. And there's nothing left. Okay, the second one is the smallest box. This is from J Major. Okay, so I was able to buy in eBay an item from him, and it's plastic. It is, there she is. It's magic. Okay, so actually the story behind this was I think Jay forgot to include this in my previous deal with him. So I was lucky that he shipped out separately this magic. Okay, so thank you very much, Jay. This is from the Strange Tales set. Okay, so I don't have him yet. So definitely for me and my X-Men collection. Okay. Move on to the... So you can notice each of the box only contains 1 item. So as I said, I had to wait for individual items to arrive. Let's go with this one. Let's go to this one from Martin Mendoza. Okay, let's see. Sometimes I forget what's in the box because of the time frame. It's been a while. And this should contain... Oh, sorry, magic. This contains... What's this? Chase. Okay, yeah, I remember. Okay, so this contains the Chase. Only one item also. The Chase Cyclops from X-Men 97. So one of the last few... he's the last, actually. He's the last Chase that I need for the set. Okay, so I was able to get everything locally via Brick Break and trades and whatnot. Okay, but Scott Summers seems to be the most elusive one for me, at least. So now I have him, and the chases are now complete for the set. And he does have an epic pose. Okay, so epic sculpt. Wow. Okay, so definitely a separate unboxing video for him. Thank you very much for that deal. And let's go to this one. This is from Daniel Powell, of course. And this should contain also just one item. Okay, and let's see. So I'm trying to finish off my X-Men 97 Master Set. And this is one of the last figures I need to get. And it's Motendo Sentinel. Okay, with the head. Okay, also the head Sentinel. I don't have the head Sentinel yet, so it's also good. Here's the last piece I don't have from the Sentinel Strike. This one I think I already have, but the highlight is definitely Sentinel Motendo, the green Sentinel. Okay, so we'll do a separate unboxing video to highlight or look at it more. But for now, we're just happy there's no issues on that, because I'm always worried, of course, when we do consolidation items, but buy and ship always delivers. Okay, and the last one should be from WizKids now. Okay, from their store. And let's see. This should contain one item also, but with a couple of promo items. There you go. And it is, there you go, you can see it from that box. It is from WizKids. Okay, so we have here the iconic Labors of Hercules. Okay, box, and the promo is Jack Frost and Holiday Elf Assassin. Okay, so nothing else, and yeah, that's it for this particular unboxing. It's a good haul, it's a good consolidation, everything is perfect. Watch out for the individual look or highlight of these particular figures, and until next time, bye.